Okay, simultaneous equations that come from sequences and series. Here we have an arithmetic sequence. Term 3 is 13 and term 8 is 38. We have to find the first three terms. So let's just put down the information we have. We know T3 is 13 and T8 is 38. But we also know that Tn is A plus n minus 1 times D. So if I find T3 using Tn, it will be A plus 3 minus 1 times D. And this is A plus 2D. That's what T3 is. And it is quite obvious then that if I know T8 is that, then using the general term, T8 will be A plus 7D. Okay. Now, I know T3 is 13, so I'll have 13 is A plus 2D. That's my first equation. And I'll have 38 is equal to A plus 7D. From here, you solve simultaneously. Okay, we know how to do this. There's two ways you can use: elimination or substitution. It seems that elimination here will be the most appealing process or method, because you have A here and you have A here. So the A's can easily eliminate one another. So I will just write one equation below the other here and do my normal column subtraction. So if I say 38 minus 13, obviously that's a 25, and A then cancels A or subtracts A. This is the objective, and I have 5D, so it becomes clear that D is equal to 5. All right. Otherwise, you can use substitution. You are more than welcome. Make A the subject of the formula here, substitute that in equation 2, find the value of A, etc. Then it's quite clear if D is 5, I can substitute either in equation 1 or equation 2 to calculate the value of D. So let's just do it quickly here. 2 times 5, that's a 10. So clearly A must be 3. Now remember the first three terms of the sequence. By knowing A, I know the first term, add 5, 8, add 5, 13. Okay, so now I have fully answered the question.